The purpose of this video is to illustrate the steps Blanca wrote about in her blog about the Cadaster maps. Now, when I come up and type in the website name that she said, I've already been into it so it comes up, but you can just click on it in Facebook, or excuse me, in the blog. The first screen that you see is this one. We pick Stabilny Cadaster. Notice in English it's CAD and in Czech it's KAT. You will see several variations on the spelling. Then we need to pick off of this drop down here, Nazvy Geonomis Česká republika. I hope that's an approximation of the correct Czech pronunciation. Now Blanca makes the point that you have to type in the village name with the proper diacritical marks. So I'm going to prove that she's right by typing in Radikov without the diacritics, Radikov. And we're going to come up with a statement that says it is not found. And it takes a little bit of time for it to come up and search through everything and say, I just don't have one. But in Czech, if you look and see NE in front of something, it means it's not. Gives you a clue. So how do I get the diacritical mark in there, the accent mark above the I? Well, depends. There's a way to do it holding down a certain key and typing 4 numbers. I don't know how to do that yet. That's on my to-do list. Actually, I used to, but I've forgotten how. But if I'm in Word, I can get that special mark in there a variety of ways. If I were on a PC, I could hold down Control, tap the accent mark, and then the I, and I would get the little accent mark over the I. I don't know how to do that on an Apple, which is what I'm on now. But also in Word for the PC, you can click on Insert, and on the PC, symbol is way over on the right. Oh, there it is on the Apple. And we do get a symbol browser. And in fact, if you look through here, you'll see the different letters with the hotkey above them, the C, the S, what's the other one, Z. Okay, there's the I that I want, but when I click on it, now all along when I've clicked on it, nothing has happened, and what I had to do was come back here and click, and of course, it's going to behave itself for the video. But hold that thought. If you're clicking and nothing's happening, click back in your document first. I'm also going to hit the space bar, close that out, and now we need to copy and paste it. You might just want to keep a list of your names in a small document somewhere to make it easy to copy and paste. So however you like to copy, go ahead and do that. I got to get back to Safari here, which is the browser on the Apple. This time when I search, it is going to come up with the list to match what she had on her blog. The one that we want is a little bit down the list. You might want to, in this Vichle dot box up here, there's several different options. Once you get used to this, play with those and see. Okay, the one that we're supposed to click on is this one. And it comes up with a list of locations. Then we click on this I. When we move over here, see it turned into a question mark. And then if we just click over here on one of these locations, we will then get Mapa. Doesn't quite look like her sample in the blog. Things change. I may have selected the wrong one. But you can pick one of these maps and zoom in on it. I don't know if that one's got the town. I'm going to try this one for fun today. This is also one that's not very marked up. Okay, here's the town. Good. My earlier attempts at this, I didn't find the town. But you can just zoom in. And actually, there. Now you can see the different house numbers and so forth. There is something to do with being a red number and a black number, and I get them very mixed up. That'll be another topic. But this is how you can get to a map of your village back in 1820s or 1840s. It's quite a look at history. And if you get a contemporary satellite map, you can compare the two side by side or even overlay them and see if your house is still there. Bye.